What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now a few days ago on TikTok I did see these doing the rounds. These are lens protectors for the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max and a couple of other 13s as well. As you can see, I got them in a funky colour. They do come in a load of other colours. There's going to be a link in the description down below to where you can pick these up for yourself for the iPhone. But you get a ton of wet wipes and dry wipes that come with it. So you're not going to have to worry about anything. You just peel off a set of these, go. If it's not that wet, then you just pick another one and go again. And that's just to go over the lens to make sure there's no dust or nothing on the lens for when you're going to be taking your pictures, etc. So if we move the phone over, what we're going to do is we're going to grab the first wet wipe. I'm going to rip it off. Now they are quite tough to get off and they are also quite tough to open as well. So you have to bear that in mind. You'll give yourself some extra time just to get them open. Taking it out, it comes as a little tiny square. You're going to open that out and it's going to reveal a little bit more of a bigger square. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over those lenses. You're going to go around the lens too. Make sure there's no dust in there at all. That can affect your camera quality. When you're putting these lens protectors on, the last thing you want to see is a speck of dust on them lens protectors or on the front of your lens. It's going to cause havoc for your photos, and you'd also want to make sure you just go around it. Make sure there's no dust, no debris or nothing like that. Take your little dry one now. You're going to tear that open too. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go over it, clear off any of the moisture and any excess residue from the lenses. Just go over it as best you can and get them off. Okay, so next up we're going to grab one of the lenses. Any one you want, doesn't really matter, they're all the same size. So you're going to pick up one of them like so, and it's got a black pull tab on the back to protect the lens inside, and it's also make it sticky. You're going to peel that off like so, and then what you're going to do is pick your lens, maybe get your dry wipe and just give it a quick dusting over. Make sure there's no dust land on that lens. And then what you're going to do is go over it ever so slightly. And then, as you can see, you're going to stick it over the top like so. Nice and secure. And then you're going to push down to make sure all that sticky residue is going around your lens to make sure that it's stuck to the phone. Like so. And you're going to do the same again for your second and your third lens. If you only got two lenses, it's going to be a little bit easier. But you can do this in any order you like. It doesn't matter which side you go for, as long as you get it right on that lens. Give the lens a quick dusting over, as I said, just to make sure no debris lands on it while you've been getting your lens protector ready to go. So you're going to stick it down and you're going to keep pushing on it just to make sure it's stuck on there nice and tight and it's not going to come off, and also not going to cause you any issues when you're going to be taking photographs. That's also the last thing you need. And then you stick your last one on like so. Again, push down, give it a bit of pressure, make sure they're all stuck on there nice onto your iPhone so that there's no issues going forward. And that's basically what it's going to look like. I went for the colourful ones just to show off basically for the video. You know, because I went for a neutral colour, but I decided to go for the colourful just to show you guys what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 24 hours or so for these to set on. Then I headed out to take some photographs for the end of the video. So if you like them, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave links down there too to where you can pick these up for yourself. Nice and cheap, and do the job that they're intended for. They look colourful, they look pretty good on the iPhone, load of comments on them. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel. And if there's anything you want to see, be sure to let me know. But stick around now and enjoy these photos.